Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to talk about progressing in the game and, like, preventing yourself from getting lost and not being able to find the route to the next area. So Moria can be really confusing, and a lot of the times when there's a blocked pathway that you're supposed to go through, it's blocked with this compacted soil. But this isn't the only thing that can hide goodies behind it. Sometimes you'll find that just good old-fashioned mineable walls, like this silver ore here, hides exactly what you're looking for. So if I just start digging away here, you'll see that this actually leads to a whole nother section of the mine. It'll go into this granite, and this granite you can see is going into a bit of shadow. So I'm going to unfortunately get cursed a little bit here to show you this. You can see it leads to a whole nother section here that we can then progress into. So there's a number of different ways that you can progress inside of Moria. So if you're getting lost and you're not finding the route to the next area, consider that you might just need to dig through a couple of the different ore zones that you've already cleared out because there's a pathway in the back of it. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.